I'm going to show you how to use your PowerPoint as the bingo caller so you don't have to hold up the cards. This makes it easier for everybody to see. You could even use it with distance learning this way on a Zoom or something like that. So what you're going to do is you're going to go up to the top and you're going to press play from start. And over here on the side, all the sharks, there's 2 colors of each shark already. So you're going to press play from start. You're going to click this one time, and it feels like nothing happened, but they did shuffle. So then you're just going to click to go to the next one. And they will be looking up and seeing the colors. You might still want to say them, that's up to you depending on their level. And let's say somebody called bingo. You're going to press escape. And you can see where you stopped because it's outlined in red. And then if you scroll up, you can see which ones were shown. And if that child, it was an accident, they didn't actually have bingo, you're going to go back up and you're going to press play from current slide, not from start. And then you just keep going. If you want to play another round, you start back at the beginning and you press shuffle again. And then they will be in a different order than they were in for your last game, and this will work every time and you'll have a new combination each time. All right, I hope you enjoy it.